Mastering English. Adjectives and adverbs, similar, yet different. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode where we explore the intriguing world of English grammar. Today, we're diving into a topic that often trips up even the most seasoned language learners: adjectives and adverbs with similar meanings. These can sometimes be a source of confusion, but no worries, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this concept. Let's start with a quick refresher. Adjectives are words that describe or modify other words, typically nouns. They provide us with more information about the noun's size, color, shape, taste, and many other qualities. Adverbs, on the other hand, modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, and to what extent something happens. Many adverbs are formed by adding "ly" to the end of an adjective. For example, the adjective quick becomes the adverb quickly. Now, onto our main topic: adjectives and adverbs with similar meanings. In many cases, an adjective and its corresponding adverb have the same root word, such as happy, adjective, and happily, adverb. However, they can't be used interchangeably because they serve different grammatical roles. But sometimes, we encounter adjectives and adverbs that are spelled the same. Take fast as an example. It can be an adjective, as in, he is a fast runner, and an adverb, as in, he runs fast. These can cause confusion since they appear identical but function differently depending on context. This is where it gets tricky. Many learners make mistakes by using an adjective where they should use an adverb, or vice versa. A classic example is the pair good, adjective, and well, adverb. It's common to hear someone say, "I did good," when they should say, "I did well." An exception to remember is the adjective hard. It becomes hardly when used as an adverb, but be careful. Hardly has a completely different meaning. While hard implies effort or difficulty, hardly means barely or almost not. For example, she worked hard, but she hardly worked. Grammar can sometimes feel like a maze, but understanding these nuances is what makes mastering a language so rewarding. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these adjectives and adverbs in your daily English, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for joining us in today's exploration of adjectives and adverbs with similar meanings. We hope this video was helpful and clarified any confusion you might have had. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.